To install the rafter assemblies, you will raise them into place using a lift. Secure the strapping on the rafter at either side of the apex bracket. Once secured, use the lift to raise the rafter off the ground slowly, just enough to make sure the load is balanced. If it is not balanced, lower the rafter and adjust the straps, then repeat the process. If you are installing a single rafter, best practice is to use an extra C attached to both sides of the rafter to provide extra stability during the lift. The temporary brace should be removed once the rafter is fastened to the columns via haunch brackets and knee braces. Lift the rafter into place slowly, and align with the haunch brackets on top of the columns. Best practice, shown here, is to have additional crew members on scissor lifts to guide the rafters into place at the top of each column. When the rafter reaches the proper height, use a spud wrench or bullpen to align the pre-drilled holes in the rafter and haunch brackets. Once the holes line up, install proper bolts and finger tighten. Check that your columns are plumb once all bolts are in place. Then tighten the bolts so the individual steel components are brought snug together. Install the knee brace after tightening all the bolts. For single portals, the knee brace will be attached to the outside of the web, with the flanges of the brace, rafter, and column all facing the same direction. Double columns will have two knee braces, back to back, that slip into the columns and rafters. Use a spud wrench or bullpen to line up the braces with the bolt holes. Finger tighten bolts until all nuts and bolts are inserted into place. Confirm the column is plumb once more, then tighten the bolts.